Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, MP3 player, CD player, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.